Hi there, I'm Peter Vox and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, click like and subscribe. If we could help you out with your singing or someone that you know, we would be honored to do that. Please check out the links below for more info. Let's get stuck into the next question. And the next question is, are singing lessons tax deductible? Now this is a little bit of a tricky question, but yes, they are if you have an ABN or a BN, which is a business number or a registered business number overseas or a business number overseas in Australia. It is called an ABN, an Australian business number. Or if you have a registered business name, so if your band or your name that you're performing under is registered as a business, they are tax deductible. So you can claim your singing lessons back as a tax deduction. You can also claim numerous other things as a tax deduction if you have an ABN, a BN, or a registered business name. Costumes, equipment, rehearsal, travel time, all these things are tax deductible. So you want to speak to your accountant about this as well too, because you can get a lot of it back on tax if you have a good accountant. I hope that answers your question. If you have any other questions, please put them in the links below and I'll get to as many questions as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching. And be good to each other, enjoy your singing, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Much love, peace and out, bye for now.